not gonna lie, this is pretty fucking clean, yo. That shit is wet. Know what I'm talking about? I don't think you know what I'm talking about, man. I smoke my weed and I stack my chips. Motherfuckers can't tell me shit. Now I'm on that block with my homies. Got your main bitch all on my dick. You ain't telling me nothing. What? Listen. Ay, where the fuck you from, bitch? Alright, so I'm doing DoorDash right now. Brought me over here to Kip's Corner. Carlos, yo, his fucking house burnt down. If there's anything I can do, my nigga, you let me know. I'm always on my gang shit. Where you from? Hit a lick, same shit. That's a camera. I ain't tripping on nothing. Always got the heated cock. I just been hella tired, like hella tired. Been sleeping and shit. Throwing out some lick. My stitches, my staples are, they're poking my fucking insides and shit. It's been a pretty crazy day, so I'm gonna start recording. You know, this morning I saw a crash. Right now I seen it like a souped up Camry that didn't want to race me. And so yeah, right now I'm gonna go pick up some shit from my cousin, and then I'm gonna go wash black cocaine. And we're just gonna have a productive day today, you feel me? In the bunch, bitch. Yeah, I represent the same street, same block, really made me go crazy. Hey, I need my money in a real way. My whole clique gon' eat, yeah, this all day. Hit a lick if a bitch don't pay me. Hey, you still fucking with the same. I smoke my weed and I stack my chips. Motherfuckers can't tell me shit. I'm on that block with my homies. Got your main bitch all on my dick. You ain't telling me nothing. Boy, listen. Fuck you mean? Hey. Where the fuck you from, bitch? Okay, ayy, listen. I want my money in stacks, homie. That's all hundreds. When I was young, I was broke, I never had none. Ayy, that's the shit that made me. Being broke really made me go crazy. Ayy, I got my game from the big homie. I got paid, gave back to the big homie. He showed me how to get paid. Yo, I finally got like cocaine washed. And I fucking started when I dropped my bro off at work. It was like 12:30 or so. And it's 5 o'clock right now. But it's because I took a couple breaks here and there, you know. I got home from the wash, laid down for a bit, got on PUBG, fucking murked on some heads. Now I'm gonna go pick this fool up. So we're gonna look cool. We're gonna look nice picking this up, you know, nice and clean. Yo, we was just walking and then my bro spotted some bags. Quick and was like, doot doot. Yo, it looked way better from up there, but
I'll be out, fool.
what are you even gonna do, dog?
I'm gonna throw a fucking mortar in the fire and I'm gonna take off running. Oh, I fucking dropped a 29.5 on this fucking tailgate. Why'd you do that?
Getting money and respect ain't the same thing. Hey, young homies getting rich. Ain't nobody telling us shit. Ain't nothing, boy. I swear to God, I never let the money change me. Till I die, I will always be the same. Yo, you guys are fucking crazy.
That shit was easy. Hey, this one's Brandon's.
We're gonna go a little bit farther down here.
It's not that bad. I thought it was gonna blow. No, it's not bad at all.
Hey, take it easy. My weed and I stack my chips. Motherfuckers can't tell me shit. I'm on that block with my homies. Got your main bitch all on my dick. You ain't telling me nothing. What? Listen. Hey.
I put a hole at the end of the cup. Hey, why don't we go to the fucking mine shaft and chuck it down?
Oh shit!
No. Where the fuck you from, bitch? Okay, just got it. No, bitch.
No!
Hey, we need to clear out the smoke.
Hey, you want to clear it?
Yeah.
I can't clear that, dog.
No one dropped their phone.
You're gonna stand this close?
You not?
I'll stand right here.
I'm gonna cover my ears because that's gonna be a loud
Holy
bang.
Whoa!
There's the car down there.
Where?
Straight down there. There's the
Whoa! Oh fuck! Oh shit! I felt that in my leg hairs.
That was fucking happened, dude. We're trying to make him ready again. And then fucking dropped
God.
the traffic.
Fucking fool!
In the Bronx, bitch. Yeah, I represent the same street, same block. Really made me go crazy. Hey, I need my money in a real way. Oh, kid gon' eat, get it
What
all
happened to the
day.
cap?
Hit a lick if a bitch don't pay me. Hey, you still fucking with I smoke my weed and I stack my chips. Motherfuckers can't tell me shit. I'm on that block with my homies. Got your main bitch all on my dick. You ain't telling me nothing, boy. Listen, fuck you mean? Hey, where the fuck you from, bitch?